Hello everybody, welcome back. I was out here the other day. I was shooting my Rock Island Model 200 38 Special and was having a little trouble with it. I was getting some light strikes on the primers. Didn't really know too much about what was going on. I took those bullets and it misfired, and I tried to fire them again. It still wouldn't set them off, and so I went and got my Smith & Wesson Model 60, and it just fired them right, just like nobody's business. I mean, it was so. I hoping that maybe this gun just needed cleaning, because I hadn't really ever, I've cleaned it, but I haven't really ever, babied this gun too much. It's an inexpensive gun, and so I'm hoping that maybe it was just some old ammo, or maybe the gun just needed cleaning. But anyway, we're going to take a few more shots today, and hopefully the problem will be solved. But we'll see. Come along with us. I'm going to pause here a minute. Get set up. Alright guys. We're about 15 yards away from some steel targets. Or targets down there. We're just going to take a few shots. I just want to see if the gun will be reliably fire again. Get our earplugs in. Here we go. Rock Island Model 200. Let's try single action first. That worked out pretty good. Got all 6 of them, guys. All 6 of them fired. I'm going to pause and load up again. We'll shoot 6 more, double action. I'm encouraged by this so far. Alright guys, the single action worked out pretty good. Let's shoot 6 more now that we're reloaded. We'll fire them double action this time. Hopefully everything will be good. I like this little pistol. That's 6. Wow, I like that. I like that. Yeah. Rock Island Model 200 38 Special. Yeah. My opinion, I don't have a clue, guys. I think it might have been the ammo. but the Smith & Wesson shot it, so. But I don't know. That ammo was reloaded when I first got back into reloading, and it's been quite a few years ago. I want to say it was probably, I don't really know, around 2012, possibly. I think Barack Obama was still president, so it had to be between 2012 and 2016. So, yeah, it was. So the primers just might have been old. I don't really know, but anyway, she's working again now. Maybe it was just maybe the gun was dirty. I did notice. Try to do this without pointing the gun. I did notice up here around where the firing pin comes through. That firing pin right there sticking out. I did notice that was pretty corroded up there when I went to clean it, because I actually felt it and a piece of junk fell off, you know, like some kind of buildup or something. So maybe that had something to do with it, you know, possibly. I just have to remember to take a little bit better care of it next time, clean it up. Anyway, it seems to be working now, and I'm happy, happy, happy. Appreciate you guys coming along. Thank you for watching my videos and all the people that subscribe and support me. Be sure to hit that like button. It helps a lot more than you think it does. It helps to overcome those algorithms and stuff. We appreciate y'all, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.